gang, how y'all doing? Thank you guys for tuning in today. Welcome back to Fergie's Kitchen. So today I'm gonna make fudge-sickle. I'll be working with today some coconut milk, and orange, and cashew, camu powder, some vanilla extract, and some dates. Here, and a banana. So here I have soaking already. I have my orange, my cashew, and my dates soaking already. So let's put that back and put that away with my milk already here. So my milk, my orange juice, my dates, and my cashews are here already soaking. So now I'm gonna add my camu and my vanilla extract and the banana. I'm gonna use a tablespoon of camu, half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. About my camu is a berry. It's a berry, and this berry is a bacterial fighting berries. And with the berry and the orange juice combined together, you're getting a load of vitamins. A load of vitamins you're getting with that together. A good one for you to do researches and study about, because it has a great lot of health benefits. So guys, make sure when you blend it, it's nice and smooth. So guys, here are my camu orange fudge-sickle, and this is gonna take like 6 to 8 hours to freeze. I like leaving them overnight too. See you when they're frozen. All right, please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe to Fergie's Kitchen. So guys, it's the next day. Ta-da! Here is my camu orange fudge-sickles. Guys, when you're eating this, please remember all the health benefits of camu and just enjoy it. You have nothing to lose but something to gain. All right, I'm not talking about fat now. All right, so as you know, I do my scripture of the day, and today's scripture is coming from 1 John 3 verse 18. Dear children, let's not merely say that we love each other. Let us show the truth by our actions. All right, and from Fergie's Kitchen to you guys today, it's one of Martin Luther King inspirational quotes. It say, the time is always right to do what is right. Guys, just do what is right. The time is always right to do what's right. All right, and I hope you guys enjoy. I was dying to put my mouth in one of these. Please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe to Fergie's Kitchen. And I'll see you guys next time. I love you. Bye-bye.